On October 23, 1983, a terrorist drove a truckload of explosives and struck buildings housing American and French service members of the multinational force in Lebanon, a military peacekeeping operation during the Lebanese civil war. Now, the attack killed 307 people, 241 US and 58 French military personnel, 6 civilians, and there were 2 attackers. Now, Jeffrey Neston, a Lance corporal just 23 years of age at that time, was among those severely injured in the attack. He suffered a skull fracture, a smashed right cheekbone, a severely bruised heart, 7 broken ribs, and a gashed back and a broken leg. Now, things got complicated when both his lungs also failed. Marine Corps Commandant Paul Kelly visited the wounded survivors then in an hospital in Frankfurt, in Germany, and among them was Corporal Jeffrey Neston, severely wounded in the incident. Now, Neston had so many tubes running in and out of his body that a witness who saw him said that he looked more like a machine than a man. Yet he survived. Now, when Neston heard that the Commandant Paul Kelly had come to visit him, despite struggling to move due to the immense pain, he grabbed the collar of the Commandant and counted the stars just to be sure who was it. Neston then motioned for a piece of paper and pen. He wrote a note and passed it back to the Commandant, and on the slip of paper were 2 words, Semper Fi. It is used as a shortened form of Latin phrase Semper Fidelis, always faithful, motto of the US Marine Corps. Friends, many of us want success to be easy, convenient, and instantaneous. We would have loved to have a success app on our smartphones or order it on Amazon with free delivery. But it doesn't work that way. There's a process to being successful, and being faithful is one of the most important keys. Faithfulness is a process. Faithfulness is about small, unnoticed things done each day with reliability, attention to details, and accuracy. It's about consistency. Faithfulness is more important than success because if we do the process in terms of following the steps and carrying out the strategies, we will make success. There is an old warrior mantra that I love that states, the more you sweat in training, the less you bleed in war. But if we do not give attention to the process, we will not find success. Faithfulness means you stick to a commitment after the shine wears off. It is the characteristic of doing what we know we should even when it is not easy. To a Marine Corps, Semper Fi, or rather being always faithful, is a pledge to live by a code of conduct expressed in 3 core values: courage, honor, and commitment. Honor, courage, and commitment are characteristics that are important to possess. These character traits can mean different things to different people. However, they are characteristics that most successful people have and work to achieve regardless of their profession and their field of endeavor. Courage means staring down at fear not only in combat but in life. Courage means to have strength when you are faced with a challenge. People who have courage stand up for what they believe even if they are scared. Now, there are different types of courage, ranging from physical strength and endurance to mental stamina and innovation. Courage is not just physical bravery. History books tell colorful tales of social activists like Martin Luther King and Nelson Mandela who chose to speak out against injustice at great personal risk, while entrepreneurs such as Steve Jobs and Walt Disney took financial risks to follow their dreams and innovate. Courage involves several attributes. It is about feeling fear yet choosing to act, following your heart, persevering in the face of adversity, standing up for what is right, and being able to face suffering with dignity or faith. The second core value of being always faithful is honor. Honor is simply doing the right thing at all times in all situations. It is about living up to the highest standards. Honor is defined as a personal integrity and an uprightness of character. Someone who acts with honor is said to have high moral character. People with honor share certain key characteristics. They value integrity. They always do what is right. They stay true to their beliefs. Everything they say carries a voice of credibility, and above all, they are loyal. In every profession, there'll come a time when temptation will be knocking at your door. It will promise you riches or something equally as grand, but don't surrender your honor. The third and the most important core value of always being faithful is commitment. Commitment is putting the work even on days when you don't feel like. Vince Lombardi once said, most people fail not because of lack of desire, but because of lack of commitment. Friends, we live in a world seduced by easy. We want to be successful in everything we do, but we wonder if there's a way to reach world class without having to work hard and be disciplined. Nothing comes for free. The best things in life require sacrifice and devotion and commitment. Making a commitment to what you do, whether in your personal life or in your professional life, is one of the most fundamental principles of success. Unlike a half-hearted hope or a best shot, making a commitment means that you try harder, you look for solutions when faced with obstacles, you don't consider quitting as an option, and you don't look back. Commitment is one of the things all successful people have in common, no matter if you are talking about Michael Phelps, Elon Musk, J.K. Rowling, or Richard Branson. All of them committed to something, became experts in their field, and achieved great success. Friends, to succeed in any domain, you need perseverance. And perseverance can only happen if you have first made a heartfelt long-term commitment. It is commitment you have made which will help you get through struggles and finally find success. If we are merely involved in something, then we don't have to give it all our full. But if we stay committed to our cause, then one is willing to go above and beyond to accomplish what he has set for. The difference between an involvement and commitment is like ham and eggs at the breakfast table. For the eggs, the chicken is involved, while for the ham, the pig is committed. In the game of life, we have never known anyone who achieved great success by simply being interested in what they do. It takes commitment to be great at something. Remember, true heroism has very little to do with mighty acts, only the quiet fulfillment of commitments, no matter the cost. Friends, Marines live by a set of enduring core values that form the bedrock of their character. These values guide their actions and bolster their resolve. They are the building blocks that help them make their right decisions at the right time, both on the battlefield and in the day-to-day living. Like the Marines, we too must embrace and reinforce these core values that ultimately lead to success in any endeavor.